Policemen have stormed the Ondo State House of Assembly complex to allegedly give cover for lawmakers that are plotting to impeach the now defected deputy governor. The Ondo State deputy governor, who had on Sunday defected from the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) to the People's Democratic Party (PDP), raising concern in the political circle in the state. The crisis between Governor Rotimi Akeredolu and his deputy Agbola Ajayi took another twist on Tuesday morning when heavily armed policemen stormed the premises of the State House of Assembly complex to provide cover for lawmakers that are already plotting the impeachment of Ajayi. The Ondo Deputy Governor, who had on Sunday defected from the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) to the People's Democratic Party (PDP), raising concern in the political circle in the state. A source at the assembly who confirmed the situation to correspondents said workers at the legislative complex were currently scampering for safety. We woke up to see policemen in our complex this morning manning strategic positions. I overheard one of them saying they were asked by the Commissioner of Police to stay here. There has been plans to impeach the deputy governor since he defected to the PDP on Sunday, and the presence of the policemen is to provide cover for some of the lawmakers loyal to the governor to carry out the job. I have found my way out of the complex while other workers are running away in order not to be affected. This is a very pathetic news coming out from Ondo State this morning. And recall on Sunday that the deputy governor of the deputy governor to Akeredolu in the person of Ajayi was held hostage by the governor of Ondo State, by the CP of Ondo State. If you watch that video, you will hear him challenging the CP to ask him if he have the right to stop him from going out of the government house complex. And later, when he stepped out, he tendered his resignation from the APC. And that same day, collected his membership of the People's Democratic Party. And today, we are now hearing that, as I'm speaking with you right now, the Ondo State House of Assembly complex have been sealed and is being guided by armed policemen in the state. If you're watching this video, you can see police everywhere, even from the pictures. And I think this is not speaking well about our democracy. I believe if the deputy governor is stepping down, or he should be allowed to perform that lawfully, instead of forcing him to step down or trying to impeach him by hook or by crook to make him go by all means. I believe by now Nigeria democracy must have passed that stage. As I speak with you right now, all is not well with APC. It's as if everywhere there's crisis. If you go to Edo, there's crisis. If you go to Ondo, there's crisis. Even in Abuja right now, the National Secretariat have been sealed by police, all because of this same crisis that is rocking this party. And now, on those states, the police are also being used to mingle in politics, which is not their job. They are supposed to be neutral in this case. These are some of the reactions of Nigerians to this news. The first person I have here said, our democracy is in big shit right now. Look what APC have cost us. Another comment I have here said, let the man defect in peace now. Can't two parties be governor and deputy? I don't really know. Another comment said, look at the State Assembly complex, how poor it is. These people are not ashamed. Rather, they are fighting to protect this governor. Another comment said, so shameful. That is the first thing I noticed also. The National Assembly complex is in dilapidated state. Another comment say, We blacks are so confused. The next comment I have here said, they are always good at storming civilian spaces, but can't stop the hideout of criminals and kidnappers. A militarized and police democracy. God help us. Another comment said, make them die now, wetin concern us. The next comment I have here is saying, rubber stamp lawmakers everywhere, corruption at its peak. Another comment I have here said, it is their job, I guess, to protect lives and property and not to meddle in political matters. Another comment said, the order was from above, the truth shall triumph. Akeredolu, you are a failure. Another person said, corruption at its peak. The next comment I have said, cultism, gangsterism, ritualistic, boastful and criminally minded political leadership and government. Nigeria can never move forward in the circumstance where police and security agencies set out to perpetrate injustice and criminality by the government and those in government leadership position. Hashtag shame on Nigeria police and on our politicians. The next comment I have said is truly Nigeria is truly a zoo. Nigeria politics is known for shit. Pride is a sister to downfall. Akeredolu, you're on your way. Free fall. Other comment said, you guys are just predictable. Police, where wetin be una own. The next comment I have here said, just imagine how old and rough the gate and fence look. Still, these people does not want to do that. They are fighting for their political gain. The next comment said, for the Ondo deputy governor who recently decamped to PDP, the battle for survival has just begun. The governor and his party will come at him with everything they can pull out of their arsenal. The police commissioner already gave him a hint the other day, so I hope he is prepared for this. Next comment said, National Assembly should assent on the independent candidacy bill. All this political party nonsense of defecting will just end. Next comment here said, we now understand why snake fell from the assembly's chamber the other time. Disgusting to call this a hollow chamber. Ole buruku, thieves kill all of you. The next comment said, this is so messy. Why would they do a thing like that? God help us. The next comment said, when the deputy governor was defecting, he knows what will follow. It is not strange if there is move to impeach him. He cannot eat his cake and have it. He was elected on the platform of the governor. If you part ways with him, better resign, except there's faction in the party. Next one said, some state assembly complexes are looking like shit. I don't want to say something before they start approving $1 billion for renovations. I think it's referencing to the $22 billion that be approved for renovation of National Assembly complex. Another comment said, why can't he resign, or is he not joint ticket anymore? I don't know. Another comment said, this is the true APC in action, a gangster organization using government structures to perpetrate their wicked devices. God save Nigeria from APC. Other comments say, see how dirty the environment is. Now, wow. So this one, a National Assembly complex. The thing shocked me. Other comment said, I talk him. Some people say he hasn't committed any offense and he can't be impeached. Sure, no be Nigeria politics. 5 people out of 30 will form majority now and impeach him, and nothing will happen. Oh, abracadabra. On that comment, the last comment I had yesterday.